everyone! Welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair. Let's walk through a real-world example of how to calculate air changes per hour, also known as ACH. The problem: a unit delivers 250 CFM into a 440 square foot room with 8-foot ceilings. How many times will the air in that room be replaced every hour? Step 1. Convert CFM to cubic feet per hour. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. To convert to per hour, multiply by 60. 250 times 60 equals 15,000 cubic feet per hour. Step 2. Find the volume of the room. Multiply the square footage by the ceiling height. 440 ft2 x 8 feet equals 3,520 cubic feet. Step 3. Use the ACH formula. The formula is HA equals CFM x 60. Volume, or just divide. 15,000 divided 3,520 equals 4. 26 HA, that means the unit replaces the entire air volume in the room 4.26 times every hour. Final recap. CFM x 60 equals total cubic feet of airflow per hour. Volume equals floor area x ceiling height ACH equals airflow per hour. Volume. Keep practicing and these calculations will become second nature. Get our full HVAC book here, MarylandHVACRepair.com. Subscribe to our channel.